Welcome. In this video we will see Metasploit basic command part 2. In the previous video we have already learned few basic command, that is help, info, set and unset. In this video, first let's see search command. As Metasploit contains over 1500 different exploit and the new ones are added regularly, with this number of exploit, the search function and knowing how to use it becomes very important. The easiest way of using the search function is by issuing the command search followed by a search term. So type search. Here you can see that it will search all modules. Type search space -h. Here you can see that the search command, basic usage and its option. App, module that are client or server attacks, author, module written by this author and so on. So let's search exploit module, copy and paste the example, search CVE 2009, type exploit app client. Here you can see that the module is released in 2009 and the type as exploit. Use command. The use command is used to interact with the module of a given name. So type use, basic usage as use module name. So type use exploit /windows/ftp pro ftp banner. Show options command. The show options command will show you the available parameter for an exploit if used when the command line is in exploit context. Let's use the Adobe Flash Shader Drawing Fill exploit and have a look at the option with the following command. The Flash exploit contains a total of 6 options from which only 2 are required. In retrieve, SRV host is required and SRV port is required. SSL, SSLCRT URL path are not required. Now let's see the session command. The session command is used to list or set a session. When used with the -l, that is list switch, it will list all open sessions. When used with the number, that is session space -1, it tells Metasploit to activate the first session. Metasploit allows us to run multiple sessions on the same system or multiple sessions on multiple systems. Using the session command, we can find these open sessions and switch to or activate them. Type session. Here we can see that no session is activated. Exploit command. After choosing our exploit, setting all our variable and choosing our payload, the last thing we have to do is to type the exploit command. This launches the exploit against the target machine with the payload and any variables we might have set, and the run command also works same. Back command. When we're done working with particular module or we choose the wrong module, we can use the back command to return to the MSF console prompt. For instance, if we choose an exploit and then we realize we have took the wrong one, we can simply type back and then use the use command to select another module. So that's it in this video on part 2 of Metasploit basic command. Thank you for watching this video.